The S&P's pulling back a little bit to allow the earlier stuck shorts who likely were selling down at those 350s back out again. So I want to see if they will allow them the chance to get out and see if we can find a way in. 350 is going to be the zone of interest, but again, we do have that dip all the way back down to the 5-minute balance point, so 150s with a little bit more continuation down just underneath that to see if they want to defend. Looking at this area around 350s, we're getting a little bit of volatility. Just waiting to see if they can push down underneath this bear bar, allow those earlier stuck shorts out, take this thing right back up again. Nice little slide back down, nice pulse back down as well. Looking for the target for a quick point off. If they're able to fill a couple more, we may be able to operate with a larger objective. But really, I'm just looking at the earlier shorts who are selling that bear bar to use this opportunity to get out. And that is the final exit point with that quick little pop. Beautiful little play there. And again, the context here is just these sellers tried getting it to go down, and they got absolutely steamrolled. Very likely we get that bounce right back up again. Nice, quick, pretty straightforward play on those trapped traders. The Nasdaq still getting obliterated, though. That could add to the pressure. Either way, though, it's obvious earlier shorts are getting out.